The court's back in session in cause number 330952, case of style of state of Texas versus Thomas Brian Harmon. Mr. Harmon, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Harmon?
I'm doing good. You?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Harmon, you're here represented by your attorney James Macon. And the state is represented by Attorney Daniel Board. Mr. Board, how you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Macon, again, how are you doing?
Real good, Your Honor.
Mr. Macon, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Harmon's case?
I do, Your Honor. While we have the paper discovery in Mr. Harmon's case, we have no DVDs or anything else, and I would ask that short reset so Mr. Boyd can follow up and find out why we don't have the DVDs.
Okay, Mr. How much time do you need, Mr. Macon?
Normal reset.
Standard reset? Okay, Mr. Macon, you will be given a standard reset. Mr. Macon, once you get the reset from your attorney, Mr. Harmon, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. You're gonna get your reset. Okay. Mr.
And the second, for COVID, and
Oh.
I told him to stay home.
Oh, okay.
And I'd just asked for like a week or two, and he should be over it if he lives.
Okay. Cardenas? Okay, Cardenas is gonna be reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Macon, that's your last
It
client?
is, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Runner, may I put your mic?
Yes, you have a couple of cases. Mr. Bailiff, would you get, let's see. The court's in session in two cases. First case is cause number 330590. Second case is cause number 330592. Both cases are style the state of Texas versus Samantha Marquetta Britt. Ms. Britt, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Britt?
Oh,
Oh, okay. Now, Ms. Britt, you're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Lori Perazzo. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Ms. Perazzo, what is your announcement in Ms. Britt cases?
Your Honor, we just received an offer in Ms. Britt's case. I would like to have an opportunity to go over that with her, but we also have a DVD that we need to finish watching. We've reviewed all of her other discoveries, so we could just have a short reset to another announcement.
Okay. You want a standard a reset?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Your reset date, Ms. Britt, is February 14 of 2022. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Ms. Carrazzo, please sign the pad so that you can get your reset.
Yes, sir, thank you. That's right. Confused with client. That one is in federal custody.
Okay, this is cause number 327-788, case of style of state of Texas versus Isaiah Hosea Makar. Mr. Makar, is that your full name?
Jose.
Hi, Isaiah Jose Makar.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Makar?
Oh, blessing cold.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I understand what you mean. Yeah. Now, Mr. Makar, you're represented by your attorney, Ms. Laura Carrazzo. Ms. Carrazzo, what is your announcement in Mr. Makar's case?
Your Honor, we have reviewed the paper discovery, but we need additional time to review the DVD. So if I could just have one more reset to an announcement.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, 2/28, February 28th of 2022. Mr. Makar, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. We hope you warm up.
Oh, yeah, when I get home, I gotta walk back.
Wow. And Ms. Carrazzo, this is your last case?
I believe so.
Okay, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
He's on the third page of the pretrial conference docket, number 1. This is cause number 326-540, State of Texas versus Antonio Mucan-Zante.
We're getting close, Judge. I don't have my video yet. Once I look at that, I'm in posture. Make a little better decision, but we've been talking. So if you can give me one more reset, I think we'll
Okay,
figure this out.
okay. Now, your full name is Antonio Mucan-Zante? Okay. How you doing, Mr.? That's good, that's good. Now, Mr. Zante, your attorney, Mr. Roebuck, was asking for your case to be reset because he needs a little bit more time so he can get the video on the case. So your case is going to be reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Roebuck, you have a blessed day as well. You can stand over there, get your reset. Antonio Zante, page 2 of the pretrial conference docket at the bottom, the last one. This is cause number 330686. Case of style of state of Texas versus Michael Joseph Gilder. We have Mr. Gilder present in court. Mr. Gilder, how are you doing?
Doing good today, sir.
That's good. Mr. Gilder, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement in Mr. Gilder's case?
I believe Mr. Gilder has some pending felony cases. I've not been able to talk to him. I could ask.
Actually, look like he has a setting on today on your felony. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. This is my first time being in court.
Okay, what I'm saying, have you been to drug court?
I'm sorry, sir.
Have you been over to the felony court, drug court?
I thought this was it.
No, this is your you have 2 cases set today.
Oh,
You got a misdemeanor and a felony.
Okay.
Your felony case is set in drug court. I see a setting for the day, January 3rd of 2022.
Yes, sir.
So what we're gonna need you to do, you probably need to go over to drug court. We can call drug court and let them know that he's been over here. So they won't, this is Michael Gilder. So they won't issue a warrant for your arrest.
Okay, I didn't know, sir.
Okay, you know what drug court is?
I have no idea.
It's the next building over. It's in the red brick building. He doesn't know. Oh, he'll let you know. Mr. Porter, could you give him helping to get some directions?
Judge, I just like this case to be reset. I'm assuming his felony will be reset also.
Okay, well, once he gets back over here, he'll let us know. And so you want to, if it's reset, you want to reset on the same date?
Yes, sir, that'd be good.
Okay,
They'll probably dispose of it with whatever happens with his felony.
okay. So if they, but this, I think this is his initial setting. That's his initial setting, his first setting on the felony case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, once he gets back, if the case is, they reset it, we'll reset it on the same date. Now, if they disposed of it, we may have to give you a call back.
Okay, well, I don't think he knows anything about his case. I have not talked to him.
Okay, we'll reset it. Yeah, okay, we'll reset it either way. If they reset the felony, we'll reset it on the same date. If they dispose of it, we'll reset it on a different date.
That'd be great, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome. Now, is this your last case?
It is, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Which one is that?
Fiedler on the
What page
one,
is Fiedler here?
he said he wasn't sure if they're gonna be here. No, she told him he wasn't sure. And Landon.
That's on the same docket?
No, sir. Landon is on page 2 of the announcement.
Both of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then I had a couple that I go over with you.
Okay.
guys already.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Hold on. Court is in session and cause number 325-318, cause number 327-334, cause number 327-844. All three cases are styled as State of Texas versus Lloyd Jones Jr. Mr. Jones, you could take your mic off of mute. Mr. Jones, again, how are you doing?
I'm okay. Thank you, Judge.
That's good. Mr. Jones, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Charles Rojas. And Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Jones, I see you had some felony cases that was set today. Is that
Yes,
correct? Or were
Yes,
they
sir.
were they reset?
When I spoke with my attorney, James Paget, he told me that they were going to be reset because I tested positive for COVID.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna reset these two cases, these three cases as well. And Mr. Jones, your case is gonna be reset. We pray that you have a full and speedy recovery. Your attorney and your bonds will be given copies of your reset. You're free to go. And again, you please have a blessed day. We're praying that you have a speedy and full recovery.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Rojas, is this your only case?
That's all I have. Judge.
Okay, you're free, get your reset, you'll be free, well,
I'm gonna wait till the building gets reset.
all right.
Your Honor, and
Is he here? Mr. Bailey, would you please call the name of Samuel P. Williams? To be transferred to JP Court. Must not be here, yeah.
And that's one we agreed, Your Honor, to transfer back to the JP court.
Right. Okay, Mr. Gilthorpe,
Yes, Judge.
your client, Mr. Williams, have not arrived yet. If, maybe if you want to contact me, he could appear via Zoom or telephone if he doesn't have a ability to reach us by Zoom.
Judge, it was my understanding that was going to be dismissed out of your court and called into a JP.
That was, I believe so, last time, Your Honor.
But
I'm trying to call
I think the
them.
way, okay, well, I mean, I don't have a writ of procedendo before me. So, you know, in order to get it down to back to the JP.
I'll call them, Judge, and try and see if I can get JP court. Did they send that up to?
Well, I think it's, I mean, yeah, I don't have anything before me saying that, you know, it's gonna be dismissed here. It's, you know, I don't have a writ of procedendo that makes that happen. So, what we're gonna do, Mr. Gilthorpe, just hold on a minute. He's gonna look into that. Shouldn't take that, I mean, it shouldn't take that much longer.
Okay.
Okay, now if you have something else to do, Mr. Gilthorpe, I mean, you can get off of Zoom and then we can give you a call to let you know, when we're ready for you again.
Yeah, as soon as it's called in, we're going to pay it.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you are.